So here is the code for my website. I made it real big so that you could see it, and I will show you what that looks like. Also, I have this linked in the description below if you want just kind of this basic thing I wrote here. Back to my desktop, we'll double click the website, and right here I just have some text. Now let's add a background. Let's start by doing something simple like adding a color to your background. So we're going to go to this open body tag and type body space style equals two exclamation marks background, let's say red, and I want to see what that looks like, so we'll save it and go back to our website, and that's how it's going to look. It's pretty bright. Let's get that away. Alright, now that we've got kind of an idea of how colors work, you can try other colors. Let's see what blue looks like. And you can even use hexadecimal colors if you'd like. Something more specific. Ouch, that's also painful to look at. Alright, now adding a background. Let's go ahead and add that background that I had talked about earlier. So let's keep the background and the colon and put URL and some parentheses. This is where we're going to put our URL. You can put a URL right off the internet if you'd like, or you can do something local like what I'm doing, and I'm going to put my photo.avif. As long as it's in the same directory, all I have to type it is photo.avif. Save that, and let's see what that looks like. There we go, and we've got our text here. And there we have our nice background on here. You can get photos from various locations on the internet for free, or you can add your own photo, whatever it is that you want to do. I do recommend using CSS instead of HTML for adding things like style tags. I will cover that in a future video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.